In my spiritual journey, as it began, I accepted Jesus Christ, but I didn't really understand what Jesus truly meant in my life because I was in the mindset of me doing, trying to prove myself, make myself acceptable, doing things, and that's not what Jesus Christ is about. That's not what His love's about for me. His love is about me not doing. It's about what He did for me and how much He loves me. God loves me so much that I don't have to do anything. He sent Jesus for me. Jesus has changed me from where I was to where I am now. As I walk closer and closer with Jesus, that my life isn't the same as it was years ago. And it hasn't been just one incident. It's been a process over time to understand or to come to an understanding of His love for me. That love that He gives me or has for me. It accepts me no matter what I've done, where I've walked. It says to me that I love you. My father, he's one of those persons that is a very religious person. I've asked him if he's been saved. He has told me he's been saved, but I just have questions in my mind. And sometimes it's really hard for you to share the love of Jesus with someone that is very close to you because of the fact that there's a lot of emotional pain there sometimes. There's a lot of emotions wrapped up in that, especially if it's a close family member. The good Lord, through Jesus' love, has been trying to show me that I need to be forgiving. I'm dealing with that because of the fact that it's very hard because there is a lot of emotion there. There is a lot of feelings that hurt. There's been love there, but there's a lot of hurt there. But through that love of Jesus, my Father was revealed to me in a vision of how Jesus sees him in His love. And it is completely different than the way I see Him. And so I'm trying to work through forgiveness and trying to be that love of Jesus Christ. My brother-in-law, Jeff, was a drug dealer. He was involved with an attempted murder on someone's life. He was in prison for dealing drugs. Jeff was a pretty hardcore person. But on his deathbed, me and Mary both were able to share our love of Jesus Christ with him. And in turn, through that love that Jesus had for him and we could share with him, He actually ministered back to us, and we were able to see that life be changed at that time from that person that had a hardened heart to that love of Jesus Christ. That love that Jesus has for us is meant for all of us. God sent Jesus for all of us. And my brother-in-law, Jeff, that's the love of Jesus Christ right there. The message of Christmas is about the love of Jesus. God loves all of us so much that He sent Jesus.